Welcome to this Mpembed tutorial. Today, we are going to overview the Media Library feature. This functionality allows users with professional and enterprise subscriptions to upload and host media files directly in their accounts. Storage and size limits applies. To start using this feature, click on the blue cloud next to your account username. You can drag and drop your files in the box or click to browse your device. It will take a few seconds to upload and the file will become visible in the panel. You can create folders to keep your files organized. To delete an unused file, drag it over the trash bin. Be careful not to delete a file in use. You can use your media wherever you see a blue cloud in the editor panel. Click on the blue cloud and select your file. Don't forget to hit save. For some features, you might have to refresh the page to see the changes apply. The most exciting part of our media library is you can now use your own icons for your Matter tags and host your audio files for the custom billboard. For those who would require higher storage volume or to report any issues with this feature, please contact us at support@mpembed.com.